Intumescent coatings are passive fire protection products. They are predominantly used to give fire resistance to structural steelwork for time periods ranging from 15 minutes up to 2 hours and above. The fire resistance helps to maintain and prolong the structural integrity of a building in the event of a fire. This gives precious time, firstly for the evacuation of the building safely, and then secondly for firefighters to enter the building, extinguish the fire, and then themselves leave safely. Intumescent coatings have been developed over a number of years to look, apply and behave like a conventional protective coating. The final coating has an excellent aesthetic appearance, which is often a requirement for building designers and architects. Sherwin-Williams has invested heavily into the research and development of intumescent coatings. We have a dedicated team working on projects such as new, novel technologies, as well as maintaining and developing the current product range. Our Bolton site has recently gained UCAS accreditation as a fire testing laboratory. This accreditation is rarely given to intumescent coating manufacturers and is only usually accredited to specialist third-party fire testing laboratories. During the development phase of a new intumescent product, numerous in-house tests are carried out at our furnaces. During these fire tests, the product is put through its paces. It is tested on a number of different steel sizes and orientations and a number of different film thicknesses to fully evaluate the potential for the intumescent coating. When exposed to the heat of a fire, an intumescent coating undergoes a series of chemical and physical reactions. Firstly, the coating softens and swells and then begins to expand, potentially up to 100 times its original thickness. A thick insulative foam is formed which encapsulates the steel and significantly delays the time taken for the steel to reach its critical failure temperature, which is usually between 500 to 600 degrees C. Once the critical failure temperature has been reached, the steel is no longer able to support the weight of the building and collapse could occur. So intumescent coatings are unique in that they can both save lives in a fire and also protect the asset.